Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've done a video. I was over here inspecting my tenant's apartment and found a couple issues here. One of them was with the dryer venting, had a big hole in it. We're going to take care of that. The other is this main sewage line where all the water from the house drains into, including the toilet. This is an issue that I had discovered in asking them to check for any water leaks. And I don't know if you can see the back side of it, but there's a crack. A little hard to see, but there's a crack, hairline crack that's going up the back side of this pipe. So we're going to have to replace a section of it, and I'm going to do that today. Just things to help you out if you ran into this situation. Certainly cheaper than hiring a plumber, as long as you do the job in a professional manner, which we do here. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to cut a section of this pipe off, and we're going to replace it with some PVC pipe and some couplings. So I'm going to get some stuff together, and we're going to mark where we're going to cut. Now the crack doesn't go all the way down to the bottom, which is good. So we're going to have some space down at the bottom for the coupling to slip over. So we need as much of this as possible. And also at the top, I don't know if you could see that. Right about there is where the crack stops. Now that doesn't leave us that much room, but it's certainly enough room to get a coupling over it. So I'm going to get my stuff together, we're going to set it up, and I'm going to start cutting. Alright, so we have our PVC pipe. This is 3-inch PVC. That's going to be enough to do the job. We'll cut it after we cut out the old pipe. Make sure we butt it up as close as possible. Alright, we got the cuts done. Now we're going to have to measure the distance from top to bottom and cut a piece of PVC. 32.5. 32.5. Get a better look at this crack here. Alright guys, the job is done. I'm back in the garage. I'm getting ready to maybe take a shower. I probably should. And get something to eat. Our next project's probably going to be this microwave oven that doesn't heat anything. You know, it spins, it works, the lights come on, the buttons work, it just doesn't heat. So we're going to get a look at that in a future video. And I want to thank the subscribers, new ones, current ones, for watching my videos. I appreciate it. It's been a while since I've done a video, but I hope to do more. There's always something to do in this old house. But thanks for watching. And I guess we're going to get right to it. We're getting ready to watch a Bills game tomorrow. Happy Halloween to everybody. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.